Hello everyone, this is Hitechtalk. So Instagram have added one more new features, that is a leave or notes. So whenever you go to Instagram DM section here, you will see the option as leave or notes. So in this video I will tell you how to get these features and how to use these features in a details, so that you can use these features or you can utilize these features. So I will show you in my mobile screen. So here you can see this is my Instagram account. So if I will go to message section here, and here you will see a one new leave a notes option is here. So once you will click on it, you will get the option to write up to 60 characters. So whatever you want to write, for example I will write it here: hello everyone. Okay, so now there are two options. The first is followers you follow back. I mean, this will be visible to all those people to whom you do a follow back. And the second, if you will select, it will be visible to a people who are in your close friend list. Okay, for example I will go with the first option, and okay, I will go with a second option, close friends, and I will click on share. So now here you can see how it's look. I have written hello everyone, it is there. So now let's see how it see, I mean how that person can see that I have added that close friends. So I have added myself itself. So I will go to my any of that account and I will show you. So if I will go to DM section here, and here you can see I have written hello everyone, that I can see here. So if I will click on this and reply to this, it will be replied to a Instagram DM: I am good and you. So if now it will see, you can see it will be sent as a message. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.